Hi future coding wizard, today we're diving into the C++ basic syntax. We're talking the ABCs of C++, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to impress your computer and your pet goldfish with your newfound programming prowess. So hold on to your Control and Alt keys, because trust me, you won't want to miss a bite of this adventure. So, grab your coffee and let's unravel the magic of C++. First things first, let's learn how to communicate within our code. Comments are like little notes to ourselves and others who read our code. To add a comment, simply use double slashes for a single-line comment or surround your text with this for a multi-line comment. Next on the list we have preprocessor directives, starting with the hashtag symbols. They give instructions to the compiler before the code is compiled. Examples are including header files or defining a constant. Every C++ program starts with a special function called main. It's where our program begins to run. Remember, return 0 at the end of main signals that the program ran successfully. Think of data types as different kinds of information. We have int for whole numbers, float for decimal numbers, and char for single characters. Variables are like containers that hold our data. We give them names and assign values. For example, int age equals 25 feet creates a variable named age with a value of 25. Operators are like tools that help us manipulate data. We have math operators like add, subtract, multiply and divide for calculations. There are also comparison operators like these which help us compare values. And finally also logical operators like and, or and not which help us make decisions based on conditions. Control structures guide the flow of our program. If statements let us make decisions based on conditions. We can use else if to add more conditions and else to catch anything else. Loops like for, while, and do while help us repeat tasks efficiently. Functions are like mini programs within our program. They help keep our code organized. We define a function with a name, provide inputs, if needed, and specify what it does. For example, int add, int a, int b, takes two numbers and returns their sum. Pointers are like signposts that point to a specific memory location. They're powerful, but we'll explore them in more detail later. To conclude, we covered comments, data types, variables, operators, control structures, and functions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment, tinker, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. If the video was helpful for you, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into classes and objects, so stay tuned.